Today we're going to take a look at a Ford Focus. We'll show you where the air filter is and show you how to change it. Let's look at the air filter for the Ford Focus. We have a 8mm socket for here, and one down there, one down there. We'll take these bolts out, see what it looks like. You undid the 4 bolts. Let's take off the cover and see what we got here. Here's the air filter. Looks to be pretty dirty. We'll end up ordering a new one. To put it back in, put a new one in. Just place it back in here again. Put the 4 bolts on. And you've just changed your air filter. Pretty easy. Everybody can do it. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.